Squishy Stuffy. You'll need 2 pieces of paper, fabric stuffing or cotton balls, markers or pencil crayons, scissors, and tape. Step 1. Draw a picture on a piece of paper. Step 2. Trace it onto the second piece of paper, then cut out both pictures. Step 3. Place the pictures back to back. Cover both sides with tape, leaving a small opening. Trim the edges of the tape around the outline of your picture, if needed. Step 4. Fill the opening with stuffing or cotton balls and then tape it up. Squish, squish!